Welcome students in concrete technology. In last lecture we will discuss about the hydration of cement. Now in this video we discuss about the types of cement and their uses. There are number of types of cements. One ordinary Portland cement, it is OPC, Portland Pozzolana cement, PPC, rapid hardening cement, quick setting cement, low heat cement, sulfate resisting cement, blast furnace slag cement, high alumina cement, white cement, color cement, air entering cement, and expansive cement and hydrographic cement. Ordinary Portland cement OPC. This type of cement is also called as normal cement since its setting is normal when mixed with water. OPC is the most widely used type of cement which is suitable for all general concrete constructions. It is the most commonly produced and used type of cement around the world with annual global production of around 3.8 million cubic meters per year. This cement is suitable for all kind of concrete construction. Ordinary Portland cement is used in important structures where great strength is required, such as heavy buildings and bridges, etc. It is used in structures subjected to the action of water, such as foundation, under the water reservoirs, watertight floors, docks, yards, etc. It is used for making cement mortar, plain cement, reinforced concrete, reinforced brickwork, etc. It is also used for plastering and painting purpose. It is used for drainage and water supply work. It is used for protecting the external faces of the buildings or other engineering structures from weathering actions. It is used for thin masonry work where strength is required. So this type of Portland cement should not be used for construction work exposed to sulfates in the soil or in groundwater since it has low sulfate resisting low sulfate Portland Pozzolana cement. Portland Pozzolana cement is prepared by grinding pozzolanic clinkers with Portland cement. It is also produced by adding pozzolana with the addition of gypsum or calcium sulfate or by intimately and uniformly blending the Portland cement and fine pozzolana. This cement has high resistance to various chemical attacks on concrete compared with ordinary Portland cement, and thus it is widely used. It is used in marine structures, sewage work, and for laying concrete underwater, such as bridges, piers, dams, and mass concrete work, etc. Rapid hardening cement. Rapid hardening cement. This type of Portland cement is manufactured in similar way to ordinary Portland cement, but it differs in respect of chemical composition, degree of burning, and grinding of the material. In this cement, higher cement content of tricalcium silicate C3S is present, and finer grinding enable it to attain a greater strength at early stage. This cement has increased lime content and contains higher C3S content and finer grinding which gives higher strength development than the OPC at an early stage. The strength of rapid hardening cement at the 3 days is similar to 7 days strength of ordinary Portland cement with the same water cement ratio. Thus, the advantage of this cement is that formwork can be removed earlier, which increases the rate of construction and decreases the cost of construction by saving formwork cost. The rapid hardening cement is used in prefabricated concrete construction, roadworks, etc. Then quick setting cement. The difference between the quick setting cement and rapid hardening cement is that quick setting cement sets earlier. At the same time, the rate of gain of strength is similar to ordinary Portland cement, while quick hardening cement gains strength quickly. Formwork in both cases can be removed earlier. Quick setting cement is used where work is to be completed in very short period and for concreting in static or running water. Next is low heat cement. Low heat cement is produced by maintaining the percentage of tricalcium aluminate below 6% by increasing the proportion of C2S. A small quantity of tricalcium aluminate makes the concrete to produce low heat of hydration. So low heat cement suitable for mass concreting like gravity dams, and as the low heat of hydration prevents the cracking of concrete due to heat. This cement has increased power against sulfates and is less reactive, and initial setting time is greater than the OPC. Then next type is sulfate resisting cement. Sulfate resisting cement is used to reduce the risk of sulfate attack on concrete and thus is used in construction of foundations where the soil has high sulfate content. This cement has reduced the content of C3A and C4AF. The sulfate resisting cement is used in construction exposed to sulfate actions by water and soil in places like canal lining, culverts, retaining walls, siphons, etc. The next type of cement is blast furnace slag cement. Blast furnace slag cement is obtained by grinding the clinkers with about 60% slag and resembles more or less in properties of Portland cement. It can be used for works where economic considerations are predominant. Then high alumina cement. High alumina cement is obtained by melting a mixture of bauxite and lime and grinding with the clinkers. It is a rapid hardening cement with initial and final setting time of about 3.5 and 5 hours respectively. The compressive strength of this cement is very high and more workable than the ordinary Portland cement and is used in works where concrete is subjected to high temperatures, frost and acid actions. The next type is white cement. It is prepared from low raw materials free from iron oxides and is a type of ordinary Portland cement which is white. It is costlier and is used for architectural purposes such as precast curtain walls and facing panels, terrazzo surfaces, etc. And for interior and exterior decorative work like external rendering, of building, facing slabs, flooring, ornamental concrete products, paths of gardens, swimming pools, etc. The next type is colored cement. It is produced by mixing 5 to 10% mineral pigments with ordinary cement. They are widely used for decorative work on floors. Air entering cement. Air entering cement is produced by adding indigenous air entering agents such as resins, glues, sodium salt of sulfates, etc. during the grinding of the clinker. This type of cement is especially suited to improve the workability with a smaller water cement ratio and to improve the frost resistance of concrete. The next type of cement is expansive cement. Expansive cement expands slightly with time and does not shrink during and after the time of hardening. This cement is mainly used for grouting anchor bolts and prestressed concrete ducts. Then hydrographic cement. The hydrographic cement is prepared by mixing water repelling chemicals and has high workability and strength. It has the property of repelling water and is affected during the monsoon and rainy seasons. The hydrophobic cement is mainly used for construction of water structures such as dam, water tank, spillways, water retaining structures, etc. So these are the different types of cements you having different applications. So thank you. In next video we will see the testing of cement.